Business Mathematics and Statistics. Chapter 1, Multiplication of Matrices and Determination.
Exercise number 1.4. Choose the correct answer. First question. If A 1, 2, 3, then the rank of A transformation is, answer is 1. How to get the answer is 1? Now we are going to see. A 1, 2, 3, A transformation means row change to column. Then A transformation equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 14. So the rank is 1. Second question. The rank of M into N matrix whose elements are unity is 1. All the rows except the first row can be made 0. If T equal to is a transmission probability matrix, then at equilibrium A is equal to 1 by 4. AB you take it and write and find the value is 1 by 4. 0.2 by 0.8 equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Fourth question, if A, then P minor of A is 2. Modulus A is 16 not equal to 0, so that minor of A equal to 2. The rank of the matrix is 3. Find the modulus of A is 2. 2 is not equal to 0, so the rank is 3. Rank of unit matrix of order n is n. Unit matrix of order n is an echelon form with n non-zero rows. If minor of A equal to R, then which of the following is correct? A has at least one minor of order R which does not vanish. 8. If A, then the rank of A transformation is 1. A transformation, you find out the change the row 2, row 3, then so rank matrix is 1. If the rank of the matrix is 2, then is 1. You simplify this matrix, you get the value is rank of the diagonal matrix. There are only 3 non-zero rows as the matrix is in echelon form. If T is a transition probability matrix, that the value of X is 0.4. 1 minus 0.6 and equal to 0.4. Which of the following is not an elementary transformation? Rho I Ri equal to 2 Ri plus 2 Cj. Since row and column cannot be taken together. 13. If minor of A equal to minor of A comma B, then the system is consistent. If minor of A and minor of A comma B, the number of unknown, then the system is consistent and has unique solution. If a minor of A not equal to minor of A comma B, then the system is inconsistent. In the transition probability matrix, all the entries are greater than or equal to 0. If the number of variable is non-homogeneous system Ax equal to B in n is n, then the system possesses a unique solution only when minor of A equal to minor of A comma B equal to n. The system of equation as no solution. No solution. Because you change the row 1 and row 2, but the answer is modulus of A is 0, so that no solution. The answer is no solution. For the system of equation x plus 2y plus 3, the answer is there is only one solution. Because the 3 modulus of A, if you find out, means answer is 3 not equal to 0. So Cramer's rule, there is only one solution. If modulus of A not equal to 0, then A is non-singular matrix. The system of linear equation has unique solution if K is not equal to 0. Hint, K equal to, if you find out, the K value is not equal to 0. Cramer's rule is applicable only to get an unique solution when delta not equal to 0. If C1, C2, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, all this given, find the value of x and y. Minus delta 1 by delta 2 minus delta 1 by delta 3. Because A1, you substitute the value, you find out the answer is x value is delta 1 by minus delta 2 and y is delta 1 by minus delta 3. A n x equal to 3, modulus of adjoint A 243, then the value of n is 5. Adjoint of A 243 equal to 3n minus 1. To simplify, n value is 5. Rank of a null matrix is 0. Rank of a null matrix is 0. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.